Thank you for choosing the Motif Duo breast pump. The Duo is a lightweight, quiet, and ultra-portable breast pump. Weighing less than 1 pound and rechargeable, it's the perfect pump for the mom on the go. Whether you're traveling, working, or just multitasking, the Duo is user-friendly, comfortable, and powerful. The highlights of the Motif Duo include the ability to pump with 100% portability, with a rechargeable battery that lasts 2.5 hours between charges. Featuring a single or double pumping option, the Duo is a closed-system pump with backflow protection, helping keep the motor and tubing clean as well as preventing contamination. The backlit LCD screen is easy to read and won't strain your eyes during pumping sessions. The quiet, low hum of the Duo is great for pumping at night without waking baby. With 10 expression mode levels and 10 massage mode levels, the Duo makes pumping efficient, customizable, and comfortable. Additionally, the Motif Duo includes advanced features like the memory mode, which allows the user to record and recall customized pumping sessions. It also gives the capability to control cycles per minute during expression mode. And with the convenient lanyard attachment, hands-free pumping with the Duo has never been easier. Before using the Motif Duo, please read the user manual and follow all instructions to prevent personal injury or damage to the breast pump and its parts. Also, be sure to register your breast pump upon receiving it. When unpacking the box, make sure all of the following components are enclosed: 1 Motif Duo breast pump, 1 set of tubing, 2 diaphragm tops, diaphragm bottoms, and diaphragms, 2 valves, 1 pair of each of the following breast shield sizes: 21 mm, 24 mm, and 27 mm, 2 breast shield connectors, 2 bottles, bottle caps and nipples, 2 bottle covers and bottle discs, 1 power adapter, 1 lanyard attachment. Before assembling the Motif Duo, consult the user manual and follow instructions on how to properly sanitize and sterilize the pump parts before starting the assembly process. Next, be sure to measure and find the breast shield that best fits you. You can refer to the user manual to learn how to measure and find the best fit. Once you have ensured you have all the necessary breast pump parts and selected your proper breast shield, you are ready to assemble the Motif Duo. Prior to each assembly and pumping session, be sure to wash your hands before touching any breast pump components. With clean hands, place the diaphragm downward onto the diaphragm bottom. Then cover the diaphragm top. Place the appropriately sized breast shield into the breast shield connector and connect the valve by inserting it into the bottom of the breast shield connector. And gently twist the diaphragm assembly onto the top of the breast shield connector. Once this is assembled, screw the bottle into the breast shield connector. Connect one side of the tubing to the port on the main body of the Duo pump and connect the other end of the tubing to the back of the diaphragm assembly by inserting the tip of the diaphragm top into the tubing. To use the Duo in double pump mode, remove the plug from the airflow port and connect the second set of tubing from the extra collection kit to the breast pump body. Additionally, you have the option to attach the lanyard onto the back of the Duo breast pump body for hands-free pumping. You are now ready to begin your pumping session with the Motif Duo. Once you have completed your pumping session, be sure to disassemble the pump kit entirely to clean and store after each use. Remove tubing from the diaphragm assembly and the pump. Simply unscrew the bottle from the breast shield connector and cover. Carefully twist the diaphragm assembly off of the breast shield connector. Remove the breast shield from the breast shield connector. Once disassembled, be sure to clean and sanitize the breast pump parts properly after each use. Thank you for choosing the Motif Duo breast pump. To learn more, visit us online at motifmedical.com.